What's up, y'all? As usual, you know I'm always trying some. I had a taste for some lasagna, but I ain't feel like doing all of that. So I was at Aldi and I came across this. It's spinach and cheese manicotti, filled with spinach, ricotta, romano, and Parmesan cheese. It really does sound like it's really good, but we gonna see how it tastes though. Let's look at the instructions. So you're supposed to bake them on 400. Cover them up with your, cover the bottom with your sauce or whatever. Okay, and then cover with the remaining sauce. Y'all can read. Anywho, supposed to bake them for 35 minutes. But I'm gonna show y'all what I already did so far. So I already made me some meat sauce. This is beef. You know, I let it simmer nice and slow with some spices and some bell pepper from the garden and whatnot. And I'm not gonna use another pan, y'all. I'm not gonna do that because the pack of ground beef was kind of small. I'm just gonna put these things in here with the sauce, and I'm gonna show y'all how I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna scoop some of this sauce over. I'm gonna leave some at the bottom. Scoop most of it over. And I'm gonna start sitting the manicotti down in here. We ain't got time to be messing up no more dishes. You feel me? This is how they look when you open them up. I don't know why I thought they was all long or whatever, but it's 10 of them in here. Got that cheese in there. And I like how it looks because it's fresh pasta. So let me start loading them up. Doesn't have to be perfect by any means. So I'm just gonna get them all in here. Move some of this sauce up this way now. Okay. Got half of them in. Yes, indeed, y'all. I love trying things. And I already got some good stuff, y'all. Y'all gotta check them out sometime. Let's see, can I squeeze this one in here? Okay, so I got all of the pasta in. Now I'm gonna start covering it up with sauce. And then I got some Parmesan cheese here I need to use too. This is how it looks when I cover it up with the sauce. You're going to have to maneuver it a little bit. And a quick tip. You see how this seam is right here? This is folded. So you want this to be on the bottom. You don't want your stuff popping out all open and stuff like that. So I'm probably going to take my finger, clean hands. Make sure it's tucked down in there real nice. You know what I'm saying? And because this pasta is fresh and it feels a little firm, and my sauce cooked down for so long, I'm gonna add a little bit of water into the situation. It ain't gonna hurt none, I promise. It ain't gonna hurt none. I just don't like, you know, I don't want it to be too dry. And since this is my first time, I will, you know, play around with it. And if I like it, I'll have a better way next time. Oh, the oven is ready. So I'm gonna cover this up with a little foil because again, we trying to eliminate dishes. And I just preheated mine to 375. I'm gonna go in with the cheese a little bit later. I don't want to put my cheese on yet. I need to use this bag up and I gotta open this one. Okay, so I went ahead and bumped it up to 400 after I actually felt the pasta and whatnot. So yeah, as the instructions said, 400 degrees. It's been about 20 minutes. Let's see what we got. Okay. Looks good. I'm about to start putting the cheese on now. All I have is Parmesan, but if I had like mozzarella or something, I would use that too. But I ain't got none. This is all the cheese I'm gonna do just because it's cheese on the inside of these too. So I'm gonna let it go for the rest of the time. All right, y'all. It's been about 35 minutes, and this is what we got. I'm so ready to give this a taste. Y'all have no idea. Let's see how it look when I pull it out. Oh, okay then. Okay then, okay then, okay then. Okay, y'all, I'm starving, and I got, you know what I'm saying, I let it cool a little bit. Let me try it out so y'all will know. Y'all, this is so good. This is so good. Next time, I'm going to do my sauce a little bit looser so that it's really saucy. But other than that, y'all, I gotta go. Thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'll see y'all on the next one.